Welcome to our network security tutorial. In this unit, we will start by looking at a firewall. Remember to watch our videos on network security in its entirety. You may ask, what is a firewall? A firewall is a device used in network security to monitor incoming and outgoing network traffic. Bear in mind that a firewall can be a software or hardware. The main aim of a firewall is to monitor and inspect traffic that goes in and out of a computer or over a network. Further down in this unit, we will discuss the difference between intrusion detection systems and intrusion prevention systems. A firewall uses a set of rules and conditions to determine whether a data package is safe to go to a computer or server, and if not, the firewall will block it from passing through and from reaching the intended destination. Firewalls are often seen as the first line of defense in protecting a system from anything malicious. In this unit, we will explore various malicious codes such as viruses, Trojan horses, worms, scareware, ransomware, and how they are used to compromise a network. Remember to check our video tutorial on the difference between firewall and antivirus. You may wonder if you need a firewall? Well, the simple truth is that every computer that connects to the internet needs a firewall. There are different types of firewall that can be used in a home network, business network, or a large corporation's network. These are packet filtering firewall, circuit level gateway, stateful inspection, application level gateway, and most importantly, next generation firewall. A next generation firewall combines all of the above mentioned firewalls and services into one single package, and as a result, next-generation firewalls give the system as much protection as possible. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe. This is a Faith Media Platform educational resource.